Welcome back to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats down at the inlet getting the images, and it looks like it's going to be another fun day. Haulover is thumping. Let's go ahead and get this episode started. Our first contestant to come rolling through Haulover Inlet today and do battle is going to show us what it's like when you have a banging good time coming through Haulover. Now, most of the time when you think about a banging good time coming through Haulover Inlet, you're just thinking about the boat banging off the waves. Well, these guys got a little bit bigger problem going on. Somebody on this crew has forgotten to tighten the clutch on the windlass anchor, and somebody's also forgotten to attach the safety lanyard to the anchor as well. Right here, we're going to see the anchor starts to break free, and this is really actually a big problem, because this crew's likely not going to even notice this happen, and this anchor is going to continue to bang against the hull of this vessel. For safety's sake, I really actually do hope this crew's not going very far, because I have seen these anchors come right through the fiberglass and leave a hole right in the bow of the vessel. But with Haulover already delivering the 1-2 punch and knocking this anchor loose, Haulover will absolutely go ahead and take the win in this first round. Our second round is going to have somebody who's familiar and possibly a legend in the making. These guys were actually featured in the last episode as well, and look at the perfection of this again. These guys absolutely slayed Haulover in the last episode, and they absolutely crush it one more time. What do you guys think? Do we have another legend in the making here at Haulover? We'll have to come up with a name for this guy, because every time we've seen him so far, he absolutely kills it. And of course, this crew is easily going to take a win for the boats in this round. But you know what? Haulover's not done. Oh, she throws a little sideways action with a crossing boat, but they miss him and we're all good. That was a close one. Here in the third round, we're going to have a hurricane coming through to do battle with Haulover. And yes, this boat probably doesn't belong. It definitely probably doesn't belong here on a day like today. It is a rough day. Haulover's thumping, and this vessel's just not designed for these types of conditions. It doesn't have the freeboard to really handle it. In fact, I don't even believe this boat's a self-draining boat. Somebody may be able to correct me in the comments below, but if they take water over the bow, like they're doing right there, this boat's bilge pump's going to have to work overtime to get it out. This kid is soaked up front. I can only imagine how much water is actually in this vessel now. They've only really got one more option here. Is they take another wave over the bow. Basically, they're probably going to have to go ahead and pull a Haulover U-turn, and here it comes right here, and head back in and lick their wounds. And obviously, Haulover Inlet will take the victory in this third round, but you know what? These guys aren't losers. They'll get to head back to the sandbar and enjoy the rest of their day as well. I love showing videos of these boats that happen to do this because a lot of people see videos more like this where people make it look easy coming through Haulover, and that's why we see so many people come out here and try and do it. Kind of like this Hider Sports right here. I actually have to admit, I'm pretty solidly impressed with this vessel. It is absolutely just chewing Haulover up. They've got the right pace, the right speed, he's got the right trim on the vessel, and things look pretty sharp. This guy is definitely a Haulover pro, and this round right here will absolutely go to the boats. That'll take us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece. Who will take the win this week? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? And what we're going to see in the fifth round, well, we're going to see a Haulover party. And that's when you grab your favorite vessel and some of your favorite friends, and you guys go ahead and load up and have a nice little cocktail party as you come rolling through Haulover Inlet, kind of like we'll see this vessel doing right here. But it looks like this may be a celebratory party because this Vanquish is a pretty large vessel, and these guys seem to be doing just fine coming through Haulover, which means the boats are going to take the win in the fifth and final round, and this cocktail party now turns into a victory party, as the boats will take the victory in this episode. Some of you who may have watched the prior episode may remember we actually let you guys pick the winner. We let you light it up in the comments below and let us know what you thought, whether the boats or Haulover won, and this was the clip here. And after tallying up the votes, you guys decided that Haulover took a loss this day and the boats took the win, that these guys were just out there having a good time and it wasn't really a Haulover victory. Gotta thank a few of you who voted. Thanks Seth Stern, Knox79, Nubs1981, Yub, Connor O'Brien, Fluxy, Steve Bennett, Aiden McLaughlin, and Cider Brookson, as you guys were all our featured voters from this past week. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this great footage down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And our newest channel, the Miami Boat Ramps channel, that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps around South Florida. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button.